wa thirikari guko bururini Ndagĩtarĩ Isaac Mwaura niarekereirie Ndumiriri yake ya bere muthenya wa umuthi kuma riria athurirwo ni Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto ta mwaria wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
We were appointed on the 4th of October and we have been taking time to settle down.
Mwaura ambĩrĩirie na gũtetera thabari cia mutongoria wa bururi akiuga icera rĩake mabururini ma nanja 39 nĩ mateithĩrĩirie hanene harĩ kũmatia ndũgũ ya Kenya na mabururi ma nanja ũndũ ũrĩa ũgũteithĩrĩria kwarahũra economy ya bururi.
As far back as 2014, I was on record then as I was a member of parliament saying whoever will be president in 2022 we have no country to run. That's the truth. So at least we are trying to stop, and that's why you are seeing the president moving from one country to another to find new ways of financing.
Kuona ati bururi ni urekorete haceke ni undu wa gukombaga kuma nanja, Mwaura ni ugite ati kwina bata gutumaga mutongoria wa bururi andu hama ambassador aria matumagwo hau gabere nginyagia riu akenya makiria ma 35,000 ni merigirwo kuona mawira mabururi-ini ma nanja guhitukira thabari cia William.
We have had the benefits of almost close to 2 trillion shillings that have been sealed, in terms of MOUs. And you'll ask the question, then why can't the ambassadors do it? No, it's not that simple, ladies and gentlemen. You have to give that thrust as the president when he is committed and when he shows up. The power of showing up, it's really very important. And it is important because Kenya does not have a lot of fiscal headroom, if you know what I'm talking about, because we borrowed a lot. So we need to find other ways through PPPs, public-private partnerships, and all of such, so that then we are able to leverage on new ways of financing our development.
Na harĩ ũhoro ũrĩa ũkoretwo kĩrerakĩra akenya wĩgiĩ ngarama ya igũrũ ya mũtũrĩre, Isaac Mwaura nĩathing'ĩrĩirie akenya ukiriria thirikari ĩno ya Kenya Kwanza amu ikioya wathani yakorire ikabu itari onake na gwa kahinda ka miaka 2 akenya nimegukorwo makina rwimbo rugi.
We are trying to get and President William Ruto and the Kenya Kwanza administration, the government has actually been able to do quite well in terms of ensuring that we don't sink further. It would have been much worse. So I really want to call upon Kenyans to vumilia so that we really stabilize things in the next 2 years or so, 1 to 2 years. We for sure will start seeing changes.
Mwaria uyu mweru wa thirikari niacokeria Kenya ngatho aria othe maroire itemi hari uhandi wa miti akiuga kioneki kia uhandi wa miti bilioni 15 akiri oho nginya riu.
Ladies and gentlemen, I really want to thank all Kenyans of all walks of life who showed up, who are doing a great job by investing into the future. So we must really commend Kenyans that they actually were able to do so, and it was also very impressive to see even the members of the opposition or Azimio also joining, because this is nothing to do with politics. This is basically a national endeavor.
Mwaura ndanaga kugweta uria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikita hari makiria ya mwaka umwe wathanini no kioria ni riri ihi a Kenya nimegwetera makiria ma mwaka ungi umwe niguo ngarama ya iguru ya muturire korwo igiikũrũka. Ngĩribotera Muthingi TV kuma muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, Geto wa Irimo wa Kimani.